Today we're taking a look at the Icons Light by Paladone, and this is an official licensed PlayStation product. And it's a really cool light that you can see right here, lights up in a blue-white sort of color. Now they do have one that does come in a full colored coordination, but you can see here you've got your blue lit up and then you've got your white when it is turned off. So let's just open this up. I'll show you what it's all about. Alright, so here it is, the PlayStation Icons Light. Here you get your square, your X, your circle, triangle, PlayStation logo on one side. You do have a micro USB charging port or cable that you can plug it in, so that way you can use cable. Otherwise, you do have the ability to use batteries here, and you can see it does take three 1.5 volts AAA batteries. So keep that in mind as well. Let's plug this up. I'll show you how it looks. All right, so we've got the batteries in, and I'm just going to show you how it looks with the lights on. You can see we have our power button right here, and this does have a few modes. So you've got a standard mode, a flashing mode, and sort of a gradual increase mode across. So here it is, just turning it on. And it's hard to see on camera, but you are getting that blue light that sort of surrounds the whole thing. I'll give you a better look at it in the dark and where I have it set up in just a second here. But that's giving you that option. If you press it again, it sort of gives you this flickering or this sort of effect where the square and triangle are lit up. Now the square is off and now the circle is lit up. So I don't know, it's kind of just flipping between. And then you have this option here, which is just going by sound. So as I talk, it's sort of increasing depending on how loud or how soft, whatever it picks up. Press it one more time, it turns off. So let's take a look at this in the dark. I'll show you where I'm placing it. All right, so this is where I'm going to traditionally keep this. You can see how it looks on the shelf off. I'm going to just quickly turn it on here. I've got my Street Fighter Arcade on as well, but you can get an idea here of how it's going to look. And if you're into gaming or you are a gamer, you film gaming videos or anything like that, you're going to get a really nice effect here with this design. I'm actually going to turn off the Street Fighter game here just so we can get some more darkness in and you can see how it's going to look. And personally, I really like the volume sort of controlled option here. So the third option where it bounces with the volume. So if you're watching a movie or if you're gaming, it's going to move around with the sound, or even if you have music playing, it's going to move around. If I stop talking, you can see it turns off until I start talking again. And like I said, this one here is the blue color, but it does come in a multicolored effect as well that you can pick up. Now I've placed a link in the description if you want to pick this one up or the colored version up for yourself. They're not that expensive and they look really cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. And as always, I will see you in the next one.